and Assalamualaikum. So here I want to talk about the global movement to restore nature's biodiversity by Thomas Crowther. It's actually from his TED Talk. For the decades, or we know that humans actually have damaged the ecosystem, cut forests, and reduced biodiversity. This is make a climate change. We call it why the climate change happened. This is the some of the reason. It's actually from us, from human things. So Crowther shows a global effort to restore nature with planting trees, protecting soil, and reviving habitats. From this restore nature, we can restore the nature biodiversity again, and our forests and our biodiversity will come back again. But actually, Isma, do you know about climate change? What will effect from the climate change?
I think our Earth will get worse because of the people who don't know how to take care of our environment. And some people they will throw rubbish in the river, and it may our environment, our water be clogged, and it will make our water more
it will the drain will be clogged, and it can cause the flood happen, right?
yes.
Actually, the climate change is from our hands, which means when we cut the forest, it can be the landslide because the water from the rain will not absorb into the land, because there's no forest. Actually, there's no trees. It's not no, but it almost don't have. So there's nothing to absorb the water, and the landslide will happen, and actually it will cause the flood. So restoration is not just planting trees anywhere. We need a strategies to restoration the forest and the biodiversity. But bringing back balance to ecosystem. Maybe we can restoration it at the true place, like we cut the trees there, and we need to restore it again, or overcome to avoid the landslide or climate change happen. And actually, communities worldwide need to working together to heal the planet, so the progress will happen smoothly, and it will be fast without the climate change will not being fast to happen, and it can help reduce it from maybe crash our hometown or something like that. And so here restoration nature's biodiversity is key for climate climate wildlife and all of the survival. So we need to restore it and just reduce for the cut forest so we can help the wildlife and our own survival. So that's from me. Bye.
Bye.